Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Zen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create some really interesting text art using a very simple method called as layer mask in Photoshop. So let's get started. So I have taken this PNG image which has no background. It is with transparent background, and I have written couple of letters like O and S. You can take any letter that you want. So I'm simply going to put this above this letter O, as you can see, like this. The PNG image is above the letter O. Now simply click on the PNG layer and click on this layers panel icon, add layer mask, so that we will get a layer mask. So this is called as layer mask. Let me quickly show you how layer masks work. So click on the layer mask. This is the layer and this is the layer mask. Now click on the layer mask and select a normal brush and make sure that your desired hardness or softness is there with the brush. So I'm going to take the hard brush that has hardness 100%. So if you choose black color in the foreground, it will hide the layer like so. If you have black color on the foreground, it will hide the layer, and if you have white color, it will unhide. As simple as that. Black color hides and white color in the foreground unhides. So using this technique, we are going to create some really interesting text art. So let me just bring this slightly down over here, these two. Now again, I have already created this layer mask. Now click on this is the thumbnail of this letter. Now press and hold the control key or command key and click on the thumbnail so that it will select the area of the letter like this. Now I want to remove some of the portion like this, and this won't erase because we have selected the area. So only the selected area will get affected like so. So if I go to select and deselect, so this is how it will look like, 3D-ish kind of look using the layer mask. Simple technique. Now again, let's say if I want to do something else, I will remove this, delete layer mask, and I will flip this. So edit, transform, flip horizontal, and I will take this above the letter S like so. And again, whatever you want to achieve, and we have to be creative in this. There is no fixed way. We have to be creative that what do we exactly want. So again, I'm going to create the layer mask by clicking on this icon. So this is the layer mask. Again, I'm going to press and hold Control or Command key and click on the thumbnail. So the area will get selected, but this time around I don't want this area, I want the other area. So I'm going to select and inverse, so the remaining area will get selected. So again, I'm going to select the brush tool and black color, so it will only remove the area outside like so, like this. If I go here, deselect like this, or I will undo this like this. And you can play around with this tool. You can try with different letters, different colors, and different fonts as well, and again different PNG files. So let's say if I change the color of this letter, if I make it black, this is how it will look, blue, yellow. So you can try around with different colors. So this is how it will look. So again, I'm only telling you that remember the technique. The technique is very important, and you can play around with this technique, and using your own creativity, you can create some really interesting text art using this simple technique. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.